And welcome all. Hey, this is the definitive guide for 2026 regarding CVOR application in Ontario. I just want you to know it has changed since 2024. So in 2026, this is how you are going to go about getting your CVOR. First thing, there you go. As of November the 1st, the practice test is wham, gone. It's out of here. It has been replaced with an online learning program. So that's great. You no longer have to go to the DriveTest center to do a test. You now get to sit at home on your sofa in the comfort of your own home and complete a course. And the MTO, I have to say, did a pretty damn good job of creating this course. The disadvantage is this online training program will take you about 12 hours to complete. The good thing about the online training program is it remembers where you left off. So you do not have to do the whole program in one sitting. You can do it over multiple days, not a problem. This is how it works. Each module has a quiz. Each module is locked until you successfully pass the quiz from your current module. And a successful completion is 80% or better. If you watch the video and pay attention, the quiz is not difficult. But I do stress you have to watch the video and pay attention, and I think the MTO has done a pretty darn good job. So how do you get your CVOR in 2026? Let me show you. It's easy to find the app. You go to CVOR.ca, and let me show you right here, CVOR.ca. Under the heading Useful Links, currently it's number 6, but it may change. Find apply for your CVOR. Simply click that. And now you're at the MTO's website for the CVOR. You're going to scroll down here. It tells you everything you need if you want to read all of this. It is a pretty good website, but click here on the blue box for get a new CVOR certificate. And again, they've laid it out. They tell you everything that you need to do before you apply, which application to select, and all of that type of thing. So with that, I think the MTO has done a really good job in setting up the CVOR for you. As I said, it's a 4-step process. You apply. And remember, it takes the MTO, I don't know, 5 to 10 business days to approve your application. So business days, I stress that, 5 to 10 business days once you've applied, and then they will send you a link to the online training course that I just described. You pay the bill, of course, you apply, you pay the bill, and then they send you the link when your application has been approved. Once you've successfully completed the online training program, it will take another 5 to 15 business days before you successfully receive your CVOR certificate. So it does take time. You have to apply. Your application has to be approved by the MTO, which again takes days. They send you the link for the online training program. You complete that and then wait again several business days for the MTO to send you your certificate. So that's how to do the whole thing. That's how to find the application form. And my name's Chris Harris, Safety Dog, owner of CVOR.ca, and I'm here to help. If I can answer any questions for you, please reach out to me. You'll find a chat bot on the CVOR.ca website. That's it. Chris Harris, Safety Dog, I'm out of here.